In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Telegram channel request to join. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Telegram, and you need to be an admin or an owner of the channel that you're trying to do this on. So if you haven't already, please go ahead and create a Telegram channel, or just make sure that you are the admin. Alright, afterwards you want to go to the very top and press on the channel name just like so. Then you want to go ahead and select over here on this pen icon towards the top right. Then where it says channel type, you want to change it from public to private just like so. And then you're going to see that there's going to be like an invite link over here. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on manage invite links just like so. Then you want to go ahead and press on create a new link. From there, make sure that where it says limit by time period is no limit and limit by number of users is no limit, or you guys could actually change it if you want. You guys could also give this link a name as well. So it really is up to you, and you obviously want to customize it to your liking. Then afterwards, you want to go ahead and press on create new link just like so. And then bam guys, here is the link, and we can go ahead and copy and paste it, and we can send it to all of our friends, and then they should be able to go ahead and join our Telegram channel. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.